Hmm.
Put that down. Put that to mommy. Put that.
Okay, okay. All right, let's play. Oh! All right. Here, buddy. Here, throw it to Big Sis. Oh, you caught it. Nice catch. All right, roll it to mommy. Oh, careful.
We always say.
Wow. Go get it, dude. Go get it, Andrew. Go get it. Oh, nice throw. Here, throw it to mommy. Throw it to Bubba. There you go. Here. Nice throw, Andrew.
Nice throw. Ready?
Oh, clunk.
Yay! High five, buddy.
Go get it. Whoa. Blocked it. Nice throw. Yeah, you. Wow. Go get it. Go get it, Andrew.
I got it.
You got it? Nice. Go get it, Andrew. Get it. Get it. All right, take it easy.
Too loud, too loud.
That's you?
Hmm?
That you drew that ball.
No, that was mommy.
Mommy.
What are you doing over there?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Junker? Ooh. Throw it.
That's still gonna record it and the battery thing's flashing?
Yeah. It's about to die.
Daddy.
Yeah, throw it to Andrew.
I don't want to play anymore.
You don't want to play anymore? Andrew wants to play still. Hold on, don't touch the lens. Watch. Look at Buddy. Look at Buddy. Look at him. No, don't touch that. Don't. No. All right.
I want your picture.
Here, look. All right, say bye.
What's your picture?
All right, say bye. Who is that? Where'd you go? Who is that little monkey? Hmm?
Her laughing.
Who is that?
Laughing.
Who's her? Who is that girl? All right, say bye, Avery.
Bye. What's your pizza?